Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into my channel. Today's video is featuring the new Morphe 35O2 palette. It looks like this. Really nice. At first I had no intentions of getting this palette, I'm going to be honest, because I have the 35O and I very seldom use it. But Makeup by Lawn Game Maiden, she did like a week series with it, and I was like, this is perfect. It's perfect for traveling, it's perfect for work, it's perfect for a night out with the girls. Like, it's just awesome. And then another thing that I really love is that they included this like clear sheet, but the protector sheet has the name of the shadows on it. And you are looking into my background and not, there it is. Okay, can you see? Yeah, there we go. I think that that's really cool, especially for YouTubers, so that way they can note the name of the shadow that they're using instead of being like, oh, this fourth red, second row from the bottom to the right kind of thing. So that's really nice. Only downside is of course it gets fingerprints all on it, and it doesn't help that I just lotioned with some of the shea butter, body butter that I made. So yeah, if you'd like to see how I got this simple, everyday, neutral, natural eye look, then keep watching. Brown Beats. Brown Beats. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. Off camera I did do my foundation and contour and a little bit of a highlight and also my lips. My battery is about to die on my camera, so for my lips I just went in with my Smashbox dark lip liner. And for lips I use my Melted Latex Lippy in Hopeless Romantic. My highlight is my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow. Contour was a powder contour. Foundation was powder foundation, the CoverFX P100, the mineral press powder, primed with my e.l.f. blemish control primer, and also I'm giving the Benefits pore-fessional primer a whirl. So I put it here in my forehead and down my T-zone where I get oily and where I feel like my pores are the most visible. So I'll keep you guys posted to see how that goes. If you're new to my channel, please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. Dang it, there goes my air conditioner. And also turn on the notifications so that way you know every time that I upload. To those of you that are returning, I thank you from the bottom of my heart for clicking back on a video on my channel. I really do appreciate it. Everybody, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave comments down below. Let me know what you guys like to see. Did you cop this palette? Are you thinking about copping this palette? Do you have the first 35O? Do you use that mug? My answer is yes, I have it, and no, I do not. So yeah, until next time guys, bye.